One of the biggest reasons why people lose leads because they just sit in a spreadsheet unseen or no one follows up in time. The flow you are looking at, it solves that problem. It instantly captures the leads from the form, and it clears the data and then scores that lead or qualify that lead as warm, hot, or cold leads, and solves that problem of follow up or letting the team know. Let's see how it works. So you are looking at an automated lead qualification and notification workflow in make.com. So what it essentially does is once a form is submitted, it can be your Google form or it can be your website's form. Once a form is submitted, it will automatically score that lead, and also it will clean up the email or phone number or whatever fields there are in your form. Then it will automatically add it to the sheet, Google Sheet. Not only that, once the lead is added to the sheet, it will give you an instant notification to your Slack account or your email account. I'll quickly show you how it actually works. I'll show you my Google Sheet right now that is connected to that workflow. So this is the Google Sheet I'll be using. So let's go to our form. I'll quickly submit a form. So let's fill up this form. Okay, email can be John, whatever it is, at hotmail.com. Phone number can be, okay, I'll put some random numbers. Yeah, okay, maybe it is John org, technology or what, e-commerce. Okay, I'll put technology, then I'll put 5,000 to 10,000 immediately. Yes, okay, put need automation help. Okay, I'll quickly submit this one. Once the form is submitted, I'll show you the form. It's not yet added to our sheet. What I want is I'll run this scenario once. Let's see what happens. So yes, you can see there is a pop-up, and let's see our sheet now. Okay, this is giving something. Okay, here we can see John 897, beautiful email. Okay, so there is a lead ID. This is an unique lead ID, and according to the information provided by John, so what it does is it scores client from 1 to 100, and also the type can be hot, warm, or cold lead. Then you should get Slack notification and an email notification. Let's check our email if it is giving us. Yes, here we can see we have a notification for John for a lead. Let's check our Slack account. Where is it? Yeah, here we can see that there is a notification about John, our new lead. Then our Slack team or team members can follow up that email or whatever they like to do. Wonderful and beautiful scenario. I hope you will like it. You should like it. And we can also make some changes, do some tweaks, put some other information in those tools, and they can score according to your preferences. Of course, your form will be different. Mine is different too. I'll try to add a JSON file blueprint of this workflow so that you can use it for yourself, or you can adjust something according to your preferences. Also, you can set it to a client. So with this workflow, every lead is captured, qualified, and shared with the team in real time, making sure that no opportunity slips through.